Hong Kong, 2024. A finance worker joins a Zoom call. The CFO is there. His colleagues are there.
Transfer $25 million for a confidential acquisition. Now.
The worker was suspicious at first, but he saw them. He heard them. So he sent the money. But everyone on that call, except the victim, was a deepfake. Digital puppets controlled by hackers.
They used public footage to clone the CFO's face and voice in real time. Seeing is no longer believing. Voice cloning tools need just 3 seconds of audio to mimic your boss, your partner, or your brother.
How do you spot a fake? Ask for a physical challenge. Ask them to pass a hand across their face. Never verify on the same channel. If they call on Zoom, you call them back on their personal phone.
We are entering the era of zero trust. Verify the human before you execute the transaction.